Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Friday, January 8th, 2021. I can't believe we're in 2021. It's so good to be here today. We've been talking about growth mindset all week. We'll talk a little bit more about that today. But first, let's stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. So we've been talking about growth mindset all week. We've been talking about goals. People have been telling me their goals. I love that. In the past, when we've talked about growth mindset, we've also talked about the power of yet. Like, I can't do that yet. And I want to encourage you today because guess what? On Monday, there were some things that you couldn't do yet. But now on Friday, you can do those things, and you can do them because you set goals and you worked really hard and you can do new things. A great example of this is third grade was showing me some huge multiplication problems yesterday. And many of them on Monday would have had to say, I can't do that yet. And now on Friday, they're just like busting them out. It's amazing. So I want you to take a few minutes today with your class. Tell everybody, did you meet your goal? Tell us about your goal. My goal was to read every single night this week, and I actually did it, and I met my goal. My goal was to pass 100 puzzles on ST Math, and I passed 104 puzzles, so I passed my goal. Whatever your goal is, tell us about it. Tell us if you passed your goal. Hey, if you didn't pass your goal, tell us that too. Everybody in your class loves you. They're going to support you. They're going to give you some encouragement. Like, that's okay. You can try it again next time. Your teachers might have some ideas for you about how you can pass your goal next time. Before you have that conversation, I want to play one quick video for you. You might have already seen this week. It's pretty amazing. You've probably seen it before, but it's the Sesame Street Power of Yet. Just enjoy this one this morning and think about things that you couldn't do yet, but you can do now, and think about other things that you can't do yet, but you really want to do in the future. And then you guys can have a little chat about, did you meet your goal? Tell everybody all about it.
How does it go?
These no look right.
Oh, we'll never get this.
Oh, you missed the drum.
No.
There. 2 plus 2. Oh boy. Emma will never get it right.
You tried to add, but the numbers came out wrong. You tried to sing, but you didn't know the whole song. You tried to cook, but the food, it didn't taste right. You tried to dunk, but you didn't get enough hype. You didn't do it right now, but keep trying. You learn how. You just didn't get it yet, but you'll get it soon, I bet. That's the power of a yet. Yet. That's the power of a yet. Yet. That is what you get with the power of a yet. Come on. You tried to ride, but you couldn't make the letter R. You tried to jump, but you didn't make it very far. You tried to drum, but you couldn't find a downbeat. You tried to dance, but you tripped on your own feet. Just breathe, don't lose control. Keep trying and you reach your goal. You just didn't get it yet, but you'll make it soon, I bet. That's the power of a yet. Yet. That's the power of a yet. Yet. Ready, get set with the power of a yet. Break it down now. There's no mountain you can climb. It just takes a little time. 'Cause you got what it takes just to learn from your mistakes. Try again, and one day you'll step up and then you try to add and you get the right answer. You sing the song and you be a great dancer. You dunk the ball and you make the right letter. Everything you do it better. This is what you get. 'Cause this is what you get. 'Cause this is what you get with the power of a yet. Yet. That's the power of a yet. Yet. And that is what you get. And that is what you get. Woo! And that is what you get with the power of a yet.
I was muted, so I'll say it again. Have a great day, Achieve. Tell your class all about your goals. Bye.